The 2025 Honda Rune, the futuristic cruiser reborn. Speed riders. Prepare to witness the return of one of the most radical production motorcycles ever created. The legend is back, the 2025 Honda Rune has arrived, and it's more breathtaking than ever. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's rolling sculpture, a mechanical work of art that defies convention. Get ready for a journey into Honda's most ambitious cruiser ever, right here on Speed Riders. Legendary legacy, the icon returns. The original Honda Rune stunned the motorcycle world in 2004 with its radical design and technological innovation. After years of anticipation, Honda has resurrected this iconic nameplate for 2025, staying true to the original's visionary spirit while incorporating cutting-edge modern technology. This isn't a nostalgic rehash, it's a complete reimagining of what a luxury performance cruiser can be. Design masterpiece, rolling sculpture. The 2025 Rune's design stops traffic before it even moves. Aerospace inspiration, flowing, organic bodywork that appears to be carved from solid aluminum. Signature features, the iconic stacked headlights, sweeping fenders, and exposed mechanical components. Modern updates, LED lighting throughout with dynamic animation sequences. Premium materials, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber accents, and exquisite paint options. Artistic details, every component designed to be visually striking from every angle. Heart of innovation, the power plant. At its core lies Honda's most advanced cruiser engine. Masistic displacement, 1,832 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine. Smooth power, generating 118 horsepower and 123 lb-ft of torque with turbine-like smoothness. Technical marvel, dual overhead cams, 4 valves per cylinder, and programmed fuel injection. Exhaust symphony, a unique 6-cylinder exhaust note that's both muscular and refined. Advanced cooling, sophisticated thermal management for optimal performance. Chassis technology, engineering marvel. The Rune's technical innovation matches its visual impact. Aluminum frame, twin-spar aluminum design with innovative suspension mounting. Front suspension, Honda's exclusive electronically controlled preload adjustment system. Rear suspension, single-sided swing arm with progressive linkage and electronic damping. Braking system, dual radial mount calipers with ABS and cornering enhancement. Wheel technology, custom-designed cast aluminum wheels with hidden fasteners. Technology and features, modern luxury. The 2025 Rune blends futuristic design with state-of-the-art technology. Digital instrumentation, full-color TFT display integrated into the handlebar cluster. Riding modes, multiple selectable riding modes adjusting power delivery and suspension. Smart connectivity, Honda smartphone integration for navigation and media. Keyless system, smart key with proximity sensing and remote activation. Lighting system. Adaptive LED headlights with cornering. With cornering illumination. Riding experience, ultimate grand touring. The Rune delivers an experience unlike any other cruiser. Plush comfort, perfect ergonomics for long-distance touring with premium seating. Confident handling, surprisingly agile for its size with precise steering. Superior stability, rock-solid at highway speeds with excellent wind protection. Smooth power, seamless acceleration with massive torque always available. Premium presence, the ultimate statement-making motorcycle for discerning riders. The Speed Rider's verdict, automotive art. The 2025 Honda Rune transcends conventional motorcycle categories. Design icon, more than transportation, it's moving sculpture. Engineering achievement, represents Honda's technical prowess and innovation. Luxury statement, the ultimate expression of premium motorcycle craftsmanship. Future classic, instant collectability with timeless design appeal. Unique proposition. No other motorcycle offers this combination of art and engineering. This motorcycle isn't for everyone, it's for those who appreciate visionary design, exceptional engineering, and the courage to be different. The Rune doesn't follow trends, it creates them. Outro. Speed Riders. What do you think about Honda's bold revival of the Rune? Is this the most stunning production motorcycle ever made, or is it too radical for your taste? Smash that like button if you appreciate true motorcycle innovation, and subscribe to Speed Riders for the most exciting motorcycle content on YouTube. Let us know in the comments, would you ride this mechanical masterpiece, or is it better as garage art? Keep chasing the horizon, and we'll see you on the next adventure.